whenever we hear or think the word milk, the first thing that comes in our mind is what? Common and complete food, Sampurna Ahar. Milk is the single food that provides all the essential nutrients than any other food. It can be easily digestible, taken by all the person, like infants, sick, healthy, old person, easily accessible. It is the milk has, as we all know, milk has a large consumer market, mostly in the North India. Every household we are taking milk daily. But when it comes to food adulteration, as we all know, food adulteration is a worldwide issue, and the peoples are at the risk of these health hazards of adulteration. It causes many problems like skin infection and GIT disorders, diarrhea. Many things are caused by adulteration, food adulteration. When it comes to milk, synthetic milk, like बनावटी milk जिसको हम कहते हैं, there are many reports of synthetic milk, malpractice of making synthetic milk in the market. Like you can see from the internet, on the newspaper, news channels, and we have various data that synthetic milk is prepared in the market. आपने कभी भी देखा होगा दूध उत्पादन तो कम हो जाता है, कई बार होता है कि सड़कों पे दूध फेंक दिया, पशुओं में बीमारी आ गई, there are many diseases, but you have never seen when you go to the market and आपको कोई कहे कि the milk is not available, because there is so much synthetic milk in the market, and synthetic word itself is very fearful. We are not ready to wear even the synthetic cloth. We are because it causes skin irritation, everything. Then why to drink the synthetic milk? Keeping that thing in the mind, the making of this innovation idea came in the mind of scientists of LUAS, and main ingredients in making synthetic milk are urea, detergent, paint, that you have seen in this newspaper cutting also कि दूध में यूरिया और डिटर्जेंट की हो रही है मिलावट. तो to increase their profit gain, many milkmen they have invented this synthetic milk, and when we talk of the urea, approximately 1.0% of urea is added to the natural milk to dilute that milk to make synthetic milk, so that it gives a normal protein and SNF content when we check. So this much urea is diluted to make synthetic milk. So next, what are the present options? Other the kits available in the market than our kit, like there are strip basic adulteration kits are also available in the market by some private companies, but when we come to our kit in the next slide, the our kit is easy, accurate, easy to perform the test, and cheaper than the other kits available in the market. Considering the intensity and the gravity of the problem of the milk adulteration, the on-the-spot test detection kit of the milk was developed by the scientist. On the spot means जहाँ आप खड़े हैं वहीं आप ये टेस्ट कर सकते हैं. We can call our kit AAA. It is accurate, can be done by anyone, and can be done anywhere. It can be done by a layman also. There is no scientific personnel, there is no involvement of scientific personnel, there is no need to take the sample to the lab. If you are on the roadside, someone is taking the container of milk, you can test your sample there also. This is on the spot. जहाँ आप खड़े हैं वहीं आप ये टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, and the handling is easy, performing is easy. Even housewife can do this test. Coming to the principle of this test, only one drop of the indicator, we are giving an indicator and a filter paper in the kit. One drop of the indicator and one drop of the milk. If the milk is adulterated by urea, a yellow ring is formed. एक पीले रंग का छल्ला बन जाता है. एक ड्रॉप आपने दूध की लेनी है, एक दो ड्रॉप आपने इंडिकेटर की। पीले रंग का छल्ला बलना इंडिकेटर है कि इसमें यूरिया प्रेजेंट है। ये एक अनपढ़ आदमी भी कर सकता है, क्योंकि द डिटेक्शन जो इसकी इंडिकेशन है टेस्ट की, इंटरप्रिटेशन है, वो इतनी आसान है कि एक रंग देखकर हम उसके पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव का पता लगा सकते हैं। तो यही हमारे टेस्ट का सबसे अच्छा फीचर है कि इट कैन बी डन बाय एनीवन एनीवेयर एंड इट इज़ एक्यूरेट। एक्यूरेट इन द सेंस इट इज़ वेरी इफेक्टिव, इट इज़ वैलिडेटेड, it is tested, and the effectiveness and reproducibility of the kit is very good, and the amount of reagent required is very less. We are giving 2 ml. In 2 ml 40 samples can be performed, and the cost of one test is less than 1 rupee. 1 रुपए से कम में भी हम ये टेस्ट का पता लगा सकते हैं, सिंथेटिक मिल्क से बच सकते हैं, and health hazards can be avoided, and the minimum detection limit of this test is also very high, like 0.2% urea can be detected. As I told you earlier, approximately 1% of urea they are adding. If they will dilute also, like milkmen are very clever, they will dilute the milk. If they will dilute the milk 5 times also, the detection limit is 0.2. हम उससे 5 गुना तक कम में भी उसको डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. The kit was made by the scientist in 2004, and at that time they applied for the patent, and our university received the patent in 2012. The kit is patented. Coming to the market potential of our technique, idea, innovation, that kit, as I have told you earlier, the milk has large market. Milk is required in every household. We are consuming milk. So the market potential for the kit is very large. It will be sold in the domestic market for dairy owners. They can use milk plant owners, they can take, and even housewife, if they want to check if their milk is adulterated, they can easily use this kit. And this on-the-spot test kit is validated under lab as well as field conditions, and this our technique is available for commercialization.
And 1 minute you have.
You have 1 minute.
1 minute.
1 minute. And there are no constraints. As such, there are no constraints for the kit. It is readily available. A small chemistry lab is required. The space requirement is very less. Only a precaution is there. We have to take the indicator in a eye drop like solution because it is volatile. So you have to carry in that. Otherwise, there are no constraints. Very easy to start manufacturing of this kit or solution. And what are the as it is visible in the kit is a indicator solution and a filter paper. This is the strip where we have performed the test, on the spot test for the negative milk and positive milk. And the kit is patented, and the process is available for the university as per our university norms for the transfer of technology on non-exclusive basis. Thank you.